about to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the mind piece. Looking for the love inside me. Sometimes, don't know how I feel that way sometimes. Yeah, the end. Think how we can set out on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny how I kinda like this life. I like this life.
I don't wanna see you. I don't get tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? Got me. Got me. Can I feel you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you. I could be
Yo,
the one for another one.
good morning. Beast Mode family, what's up? What's up? What's up? Man, I'm tired. Got a headache and the weather is bad. Got a few things stacked against me this morning. That's not going to stop us. That's not what we do. We truck through like beast. That's not what I was supposed to say this morning. I was supposed to say, I might not stream long today because I'm freaking tired. I was helping my daughter move yesterday and got home pretty damn late. Dealing with good old family. But it's all love, man. Just glad that I could be there for them. But yeah, I feel like dog meat this morning. Super sleepy. Woke up with a headache. I think I was dehydrated or something. Anyways, I'm not going to talk about it too much. I'm going to just jump right into the pre-market analysis and let's go from there. Let's see how today unfolds. Hopefully the internet holds up. We got some bad weather out here, and it's possible that the internet or the electricity might go out. But we're going to push through. All right, starting with the daily time frame. Let's see what we got here. Any levels? We do have a nice level down here. High time frame, we're still looking pretty bullish. Still have yet to take this high. Like we talked about a week ago, this high right here is going to provide a massive amount of resistance. It's going to take some volume to get through it. Let's see. What's the percentage down here? Yeah, I'm not even going to mark anything way down here. These are futures, and I'm traded on a funded account, so I wouldn't be able to trade anything down that way anyways. And the possibility of NAS trading 12% from where it's currently at right now is, it could happen, but it's very slim. So on the daily, we do have something here. Let's enable our old levels from yesterday to see if let's see. Okay. Before I start marking anything. So all of these levels that we have here are still good. So really, we don't have to do a whole lot. Oh, we did some work, huh? We still have our all of our alerts set. So let's just focus on the immediate first, okay? And we'll go over everything else that's in those zones. Okay, nothing here above and below on the daily time frame. Daily trend is still intact. Let's go to the 4 hour. Nothing above and below that we haven't already marked out on the 4 hour. 4 hour trend has changed. It's no longer here. Let's go here and here. Boom. What's up, Rashid? Sammy. No, those are not all. Most of them are hold levels. Yes. Yeah, we'll go over those in just a minute. But I just broke down all the levels, and obviously it requires some cleanup in there. But we're so far away from those zones that I'm just gonna we'll go over those in a little bit if we have some time. So yeah, 4 hour trend is adjusted, and let's see. Any 4 hour levels in the immediate vicinity. Let's see. We have here. So we have those levels there. That's our levels that we're at now. We'll keep that enabled. Looking back at it yesterday, that 5 minute, we hit that 5 minute in the daily trend. That was a nice trade. Obviously, I got missed. I was being too aggressive with the tight stop loss. It's kind of looking like it's getting primed for another move up. Had that big wick yesterday, and then it took out some liquidity there. All right, nothing on the 4 hour in the immediate vicinity that we need to mark out. Nothing new. Let's see. Let's go down to the hourly here. Okay, so now we start seeing some levels here. That's been already touched. That's been tapped. Nothing there. It's been tapped. This hour down here is what we got there. That's good. Nothing above on the hourly. No hourly trends made. I mean, I guess we could mark here. I'm not going to do that now. All right, now we're into the medium time frames. Let's see what we have here. We have a level here. We're going to get rid of these levels that we hit yesterday and the day before. Let's get rid of that 5 minute. See how we push into this order block and we're just kind of trailing down. I know I said it's looking prime for a move up, but this is also when you see a big order block. I've seen this happen like this where it just kind of ladders down and then falls through. Not over this amount of time. I've never seen it like this before where it's over this amount of time. So it's only a day. But yeah, let's go ahead and mark out these 15-minute levels. And look back on the hourly, make sure I didn't miss anything. Hourly hit here, hourly hit here. Hit here. Yeah. All right, we didn't miss anything there. 15-minute here was hit. Have a naked 15 here. It's a minute. Got a 15-minute fair value gap right here. It's beautiful too. Market is a 15 hold first. Value gap. It might exist on a smaller time frame with a greedier level. We're going to take a look at that when we start breaking down the lower time frames. I don't really see anything else significant on the 15-minute time frame. Looks like everything's been touched except for this and this on the 15. Yeah. This 5 minute here, this 5 minute here. So we got 2 5 minutes here. That'd be nice. I like this one here. This 5 minute has been tapped already. I like virgin levels. If it's been touched, I don't really like to mark it. Okay, so that Same 15-minute fair value gap is also our 5-minute fair value gap. So as far as fair value gap goes, the gap exists here, right? Which is simply just an imbalance, right? An imbalance in the market. But it's not uncommon to see price come down and wick through this liquidity, come back up and bounce inside this fair value gap and continue up, especially around market open. So we will monitor this area right here. It's looking like a nice little level. But for me personally, I wouldn't take this one blindly because of the stop loss. That is too wide for me. I would have to put a stop loss down here somewhere. So I wouldn't take that one initially on the initial touch. Let's see. Let's get down to some. So we got a thing up here. Distractions, guys. Distractions. Okay, I do have a nice 5-minute up here, but I'm guessing there's going to be something on the micro time frames, super micro time frames there. So I'm just going to mark that as the 5-minute hold here. We just created a 5-minute here. Got 17 minutes to market opens, and let's look over here on the left below this. See if there's anything on the 5-minute time frame that we're missing. It's been touched. This has been touched. Let's go to the 3-minute now. See if we can find some grittier levels. So this is the 5 here, and that's a 3 here. That would be the best. That would be the best level for us to take. Well, for me to take. In terms of invalidation, having a tighter stop. It's our 15-minute level earlier that we marked. 3 minutes been hit. Give me a second. Be right back.
Make sure you tied the legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz, he was a part of the gang. No, now he can't pay.
All right, back. Sorry about that. 3-minute here. They have a 3-minute level here. Y'all let me know if the stream starts lagging. Yeah, see earlier this fair value gap. There's a 3-minute that exists lower below inside of here. Although it came and got back tested here. Doesn't really count to me. Let's look up here at the top. Talking about that earlier. Possible greedier level up here. Nothing on the 3. Let's get over here. See if there's anything down in this area that's untapped. 3-minute is tapped here. 3-minute is. It's kind of close. We're gonna mark it anyways. Everybody wants to hit you up when you start doing something. Okay. There's a nice little front side in the 3 minute here. Again, too wide of an invalidation for me. So I am very interested in this fair value gap here. But again, I'm not going to try to trade that blindly. That stop loss that wide right there. I'm going to look to see if it pushes through first. Comes back and closes the candle inside of this fair value gap. And I'll be looking for longs from there. Well, we have a 15 here. Let's get to the 5 minute again. Let's pull some volume here. Let's see what we got. This area right here. See a nice amount of volume right here pushing up. And we ultimately fall through. I think that's after hours though. This area up here. It's a lot of volume up here. Not so much here. A lot of volume in this area here being transacted. Let's pull some volume. Get to the 15. Let's try to take this whole top range up here, starting with this candle. See what we have. Have a point of control up here. Continuing. I'm gonna go from yesterday market open. Same thing. I go from down here. Same thing. So point of control is pretty much the same no matter where you pull your volume from. So we need to mark that. I want to mark that level here. Mark that as 2. I'm gonna go here. Range point of control. That. So watch that area. Okay, so we got a lot of levels we just marked out. It's time to clean up some a little bit. 10 more minutes until market opens. Okay. Let's look at this on the medium time frame again and look at our bias here. I mean, we've been bearish. Well, we've been not necessarily bearish, but yeah, we've been trending down since the 29th. Medium time frame, we definitely look. It doesn't really matter where the pivots are. Right here, looks like we're trying possibly to reverse it some kind of way. Yeah. Definitely interested in this fair value gap, but we do still have these lower levels right here that I'm still willing to look at for a trade. Otherwise, there's a lot of imbalances here. Shall we go down this low? I don't see why we wouldn't try to fill in this imbalance. But then again, this, not mistaken, there was some heavy volume right here, right before that push up. Let's get back on there and let's get that volume back on. Yeah, oh, it's low volume and then, okay. A lot of volume here. All right. So as far as day trade goes, I'm definitely looking at market open, going down into this fair value gap, potentially sweeping these lows. And if we sweep these lows, come back up and close inside of this fair value gap area, I'll definitely be looking at taking a long. And tried riding it back up into the order block. Conversely, if we head up from here on market open and we take this high, these highs here, actually before these highs, I'm actually looking at potentially shorting up here. But if we take these highs, although we hit this 5 minute and this daily here, it's kind of weird because if I do short here, I will be shorting structure change because on medium time frame, this is the high that we need to take in order to change structure. But at the same time, we're trending down for the past 3 days. Let's look on the higher time frame real quick. Yeah, we're definitely due for a damn pullback, and we haven't really got one yet. Not in my opinion. It's just been up. And like we said yesterday, it's been going up on dropping volume. The volume just steady going down. I'm definitely waiting to see a nice retracement. So yeah, I'm looking kind of for the day. I'm looking kind of on the bearish side, looking for shorts, but keeping in mind that this short right here may potentially be the bottom. I mean, this long right here may potentially be the bottom of this structure change. Whatever happens, wish you best of luck today. I appreciate it, Chris. Yeah. Appreciate it, my brother. Point of control, this entire range is right here. 15 minute here. And let's just go ahead and switch over to the other screen. Last few minutes, let's look on look for some imbalances here on the I don't know. That rain is super loud. Can you guys hear the rain? What's that? 15061. values are slightly different between what I chart on and what's on actual Tradeovate. I chart on the Wanda NAS 100. Make it up here, 174. The bright yellow lines represent the volume pointer controls. And these light yellow ones, you might not see it. Maybe you can, but it's kind of in the background. These light color ones that's kind of opaque. Those are the time pointer controls. So I have a naked way down here. 840. Here. So this is where our naked point of control is, right at the top of this high here. 75. Yeah. All right. 2 minutes until market opens here. I have alert set. How's the weather out there where everybody else is at? Out here in the States, it's kind of stormy. I might be dropping frames here. The internet. Yep, I am. I'm dropping frames. Hopefully don't get too bad here, man. Market is open. And as always, it's going to be some sort of shakeout happening here. Hopefully the storm doesn't affect our connection too much. If it starts getting too bad, and I'll be watching OBS for drop frames and paying attention to you guys in the chat. If we start losing a connection or it starts lagging too bad, I'll just I'll end the stream and just continue just recording, then upload that later. Okay. I hope so. Here we go. We're approaching this fair value gap. Okay, we're inside this fair value gap. Let's drop down to lower time frames. Okay, we're flushing. Approaching that 3 minute. Like we said earlier, if it comes back up after taking these lows, comes back up and opens back into that fair value gap area, I'll be looking to take a long. By the way, yesterday I did trade a little bit after stream to get us out of the hole a little bit. But I only had enough time to do one more trade. So we're down 640 on the day. I made a $300 trade, so we're only down 340 yesterday. I didn't even have time to go make the chapters on the video or even change the title. So I'll probably do that today after the stream. Might make another push down. Might make another push down. Try to get some more of this liquidity. I'm thinking we bounce from here though. Come back up, get inside this fair value gap, and then at least that's what I'm thinking. We could continue down. If so, I'll be looking at these levels down here. Let's make one more push down. Ah, man. Okay. Might make another push down here. Just watching for it. Might make another push to get the early longs and the rest of the liquidity down below the lows, but I'm definitely looking at coming down, and still looking for candle close inside of the fair value gap for the long. There we go. Just watch it. Okay, we did come down, take that low. Okay. Let's see if it makes another swing low and then pushes up. If not, we'll be looking at lower levels to long off of. Am I still dropping frames, guys? Or is the stream still coming through okay? Okay. Patience. So it never came down, took those lows and came back up into this fair value gap. Still looking like it wants lower. It's a good volume. Okay. Thanks for confirming, Sammy. Okay. So, we're looking at lower levels now. We're at that 3 minute we marked out earlier. Although that 3 minutes been touched a few times. Down in this area here. Calling me royalty. There's a ton of liquidity down here below this level, I'm assuming. Bouncing on that 3 minute now. Push right through it. It's a little imbalance here. Bouncing from that 3 minute. Staying patient here, seeing what the market's going to do. Get rid of these levels here. And then you see something forming here. Whether it be a fair value gap, a hold level, or something. Whether it be comfortable for going in the long. But right now, I'm looking for shorts right now. Since we didn't come back up after taking those lows. It's not a bad area here. Where's that at over here? Go to the 2 minute. It's like Bitcoin is following what NAS is doing right here on the push down.
All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, shit, that's how I'm living. I'm winning till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place.
OBS keeps telling me I'm dropping frames. Glad there's still no lag. This market opened and it just fell through. Perfect. That's all that matters. Marking this hold level here on the 1 minute. Also have an imbalance here that we hit that hold level we'll be filling. So just want to be aware of that. Just 1 minute. Let's make it white. Time for a new coil. CVD definitely isn't looking like it's turning. Looks like we might want to try to break microstructure. We could take these highs. Not a little wick. We want to see it with some aggression, right? not sure what this song is, but I ain't feeling it.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm the get it right. Get that freaky freaky on. 신경 끄고다가 jet. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky freaky on. Get that freaky freaky get freaky. Get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마. I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky freaky on, get that freaky freaky on.
So far right now, I'm not looking at any trades other than if we come up to this level here to close those imbalances or a little bit lower. Come down here, maybe take the liquidity down here. Unless something forms, micro. Right now, nothing is formed. Nothing defined.
I'll be on the top, killer. I'll be on the top, winner. I'll be on the top, killer. I'll be on the top, 'cause I own it, know it, I'm a red. I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky freaky on, get that freaky freaky. I'm getting freaky, get it right, get it right. Get that freaky freaky on, 신경 끄고다가 jet. Freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky freaky on, get that freaky freaky. Get freaky, get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마. I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky freaky on, get that freaky freaky. I'll be on the top, killer. I'll be on the top, winner. I'll be on the top, killer. I'll be on the top, 'cause I own it, know it, I'm a red. Get that freaky freaky on, get that freaky freaky freaky. Get that freaky freaky on, get that freaky freaky.
The market seems kind of weird to me the past couple of days. I don't know if it's a me thing or the market in its entirety, but definitely been feeling weird. This damn headache. It's 3 minutes holding up like a champ, ain't it? Is there something I'm missing here? Why is that 3 minute being so supportive? Okay, we just took those highs here.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100. It's all that I wanted, but lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, so me get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole play. Finna get laced if you step out of place. Like
Definitely need to see that pop up.
all talk and your team bluff it. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like
Still looking like it wants to go down,
and I'ma get it right. Get on sight.
in my opinion.
Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming
Yep.
to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. First off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like.
This trade is seeming more unlikely now. Damn, is that gonna give me an opportunity to get in, huh? This is what got me yesterday. I didn't get any opportunities, then I gambled. Although our assessment was correct. Just went a little too aggressive. Too soon with a tight stop loss. Perfect bounce on that 1 hour. Actually, it was a 15. Marked as a 1 hour, but it's a 15. I want this level right here. 14,956-ish. Let's watch that. 14,956-ish. So we bounced on that first 5-minute level.
Been around and now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now. I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down. A bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now. Up now. And I ain't never gonna touch down. Touchdown.
It didn't reach the 5-minute level here, but it did on Tradeovate. I'm ultimately targeting this one. About 40 points away now, so
Mind's on, I can't turn it off. Late nights and I'm turning up. Hate life, then I learn to love. Down and out, now I'm way above. I always knew I had it. Now I'm living out my dreams. Treat that money like an addict. It's a habit. I'm a fiend. Feeling that rush. Rocket ready to launch. Hands up, ready and gone. Been waiting too long. Trust on plenty, that's wrong. Old me's dead and
there's a
that's
2-minute level for short. The 1-minute level that runs right on point of control. Don't want to take that 2-minute because it's a long invalidation. You might be able to short here and write it down to here. So my entry got missed by $3. $2 and some change. Bouncing off that 2-minute level looks like. Yeah, pretty much. Still looking like it wants to go down. I don't see much bullishness in the CVD. $3, $2 and some change, really. I'm getting rid of that order now.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before.
That would work.
You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're the revolution. With the ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing.
Check those imbalances here.
Change this evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're the revolution.
Don't look like I'm gonna get filled. Canceled. I didn't like the way the price was meandering below. Now we gotta watch reaction when it comes up here. Value area high. Initially was point of control. Point of control has shifted. A lot more volume transacted down here. Look on the left side here. You see a lot of longs coming in at this zone. Look at the light blue side. So not a whole lot in comparison to what's been happening on the charts, but a push up, maybe above these highs again. But it's still looking red, man. So that's the problem with taking these grittier levels. Owanda, this 5 minute didn't get hit, but on Tradeovate it did. I wanted this lower one here to give it room for my invalidation to have room for a potential swing of the sweep of the lows. Ultimately, we just bounced off of that 5 minute. That would have been a nice scalp trade, a few $100, but we got missed by a few dollars. So now we're looking like we're trying to grind up. No real structure here, right? As far as micro goes, it looks down since, I mean, still looking bearish because we just pretty much fell through since market open. And we did break the highs here, but then we broke the lows too. So now we haven't really established anything. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, so we did hit that level here. And, rejected a little bit, but it would have been nice to hit. Let me grab my water. Hold on one second. Okay. Back up here to today's value area high, that 1 minute level we had earlier, but we removed that because the way price was meandering just below it. Some longs coming in. Lagging now, Sammy? Shit. Yeah, I see dropping frames like crazy, looks like. Yeah. $7.5. That's what messed me up. If you would have put 14,975, we would have YOLO'd, bro. 15 contracts in. Because Chris got those sniper entries. We did hit that 5 minute though. The first one. I just got missed on it. because I was going for a greedier entry. Okay, it'd be nice if I can fucking... There we go. So I wanted this level down here, but this is the level we ended up bouncing from. It's actually a little bit lower. Damn. Ah, of course it's gonna lag right now. Yeah. I see that now, brother.
Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she love me.
Mm-hmm.
Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you want to.
I agree, man. I don't know if you guys ever tried this before. It's pretty good. Let me see if I could get it to focus. Normally drink the coffee and stuff, or the pills for the alpha brain. This instant drink is pretty good, but it does use stevia as an artificial sweetener. I'm not a big fan of stevia, but it's pretty good. Not sponsored, by the way. Man, that rain is coming down hard. That's really my fault, man, because we've been talking about those lower levels for a couple of days, and I just added that 5 minutes a day. Really, I just added that 5 minutes a day, wanting to go a little lower, looking at it as one of those hidden greedier levels, and yeah, it just didn't happen for me, bro. So yeah, it didn't get hit here, but it definitely got hit on a trade of 8. Let me find something to mix my drink. Yeah, it's dropping frames like crazy right now. Hey, what do you guys think? Is the lag bearable, or do you think I should go ahead and stream and record and just upload later? Let me know. One in the chat for killing stream and record. Two in the chat for just keep going. Let me know. Oh, okay. All right. Perfect, man. Appreciate it. I'll keep going.
Ready to die on the hill that you built out of lies and deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
All right. Bust your eardrums open real quick. Hey, while we're waiting on the trade, we can jam out together. Just kidding. Just kidding. That beat is pretty dope, though. I like it. What we doing right here? What we doing right here?
I don't wanna fight, 'cause I don't like the way it feels. Those cutting words that never heal. Behind the barricade, you're tossing grenades while I'm trying to settle and disengage. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
It's really coming down right now. Thinking about Longa right here. A lot of shorts right up here. Possibly push up to short to stop them out. Let's see what we got.
Fears are coming outside. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love. Since my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion reasons, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe.
Shit's lagging on my end.
I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love.
I think I'm gonna go reboot my. If you guys don't know, I live in an extremely rural area, and I have to get internet different ways with some ninja shit. No, just kidding. I'm not stealing internet or anything. Just using some of the mobile home type internet. Oh, here we go. Coming up here to this area here. Essentially, I was able to take a freaking 4 meg connection. Now, on better days than today, I could get it to anywhere between like 50 and 110. Yeah. I'm going to kill the stream here and continue the trade recording. And I'm going to reboot my router first, though. I definitely don't want to be in the middle of a trade and my shit wigs out. So I will catch you guys later. I'm sorry for the stream. Weather's bad. Yeah, I'll continue to record, though, guys.
My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch it burn my whole house down, I feel a thing. One look